So I'm doing this video as a reply to a debate that I've been having with a guy who goes by the name of Princeofexcess or something like that. I'll post his name here, probably in the title, somewhere up there. We've been having a debate about logic and about truth. The problem is that he is of the opinion that logic is unchanging, that logic is set. The problem is logic is not set. Logic is based off of facts and of the mind. Two factors. The facts as they exist and the interpretation of those facts. The problem is that the human mind is fallible. Therefore, logic has a huge hole in it. Also, two, what is considered truth can change. Because truth can change, logic changes. Logic is not infallible. I have yet to see one thing that can be shown to be infallible logic that is not mathematical. Okay? 2 + 2 will always equal 4 regardless of the human mind. Okay? The thing about it is that logic, what is logical today will not necessarily be logical tomorrow. What's logical tomorrow will not necessarily be logical the day after that. And the reason is again, human mind changes, human mind is fallible, and the facts behind the logic, the truth behind the logic, is also changing. The only constant in the universe is change. That's it. With that being said, logic cannot be unchangeable. Logic changes from day to day, from week to week. It tweaks, it changes, it migrates, it mutates, it evolves. It does all of these things. Therefore, sorry, it's not a solid object. If it was, then we would be talking about a different thing. An absolute truth. There's little things outside of mathematics that are absolutely true. Evolution is an absolute truth, whether people want to believe it or not. Evolution continues to happen whether people believe it or not. Okay? The universe, depending on which scientist I believe, which scientific thing I believe, the current logic is the universe is still expanding. But again, it was logic that stated at one point the universe was contracting, or our solar system was the center of the universe, or the Earth was the center of the universe, or the sun evolved around us, or that the Earth was flat. These were all considered logical at the time that they were around. Logic changes based on facts in the human minds around them. The interpretation. So, I don't know why you keep arguing, saying that logic is non-changeable when it absolutely is. So, I don't know what, and again, I'm tired of doing the PMs, I'm tired of doing the text responses, reply to this.